starring Natalie Hart, Ren Escanio, Albi Casino, Shirley Fuentes, and Ivan Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the trailer to Akin Ka Lang.
Christian Paolo Lab together with the cast Ren Escanio and Natalie Hart.
Hello!
Hi guys!
Of course, we have Team Akin Ka Lang, our first film concept for today. Please say hi to our audience.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi everybody! Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, sa mga friends namin sa press. Lahat na nandito kahit masama yung panahon, thank you for coming po.
Exactly, and it's a pleasure to have you guys. Okay, let's have a group photo. Shall we have Direk, Christian in the middle? Okay,
Yep.
maybe we can move forward a little bit. And of course, as I did mention, meron po tayong Q&A with our stars and director, mamaya-maya lamang.
Looking photo ready. And a gripping story about love, betrayal, and revenge. Panigurado, madami makaka-relate dito, no? And it is directed by none other than Sigrid Polon, starring Abby Bautista. Wow, Direk Sid. Plenty of fans, huh? Abby Bautista, James Blanco, Yayo Aguila, Cherie Bautista, Liz Gonzalez, Alex Bayan, and Carlene Aguilar. Let's play the trailer for Elisa, Batang Kabit.
Ang sexy naman ni Direk Sig. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Bati naman po kayo sa ating audience today.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po for coming kahit na maulan. Hello guys! Thank you for watching the trailer and thank you guys for coming tonight. Thank you po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Kahit masama ang panahon, nandito po kayo. Magandang hapon.
Tama yan. Thank you so much. Okay, let's have a group photo of Team Elisa Batang Kabit.
Yep, let's put those cameras to good use, everybody.
That is our second film for today. At syempre, makakausap din natin sila mamaya-maya. Okay, we are all good. Thank you so much again. Yung genre nito, right?
Oo, trailer pa lang, ulam na. Kapanapanabing talaga, no? Now, there's nothing better left to do kundi patungtungin ang personnel, ang cast, and ang director ng Made for Revenge dito sa Viva Cafe stage. Direct Bobby Bonifacio, Rose Van Ginkel, and Cara Gonzalez.
How beautiful are our stars today. Welcome. Hi, Rose.
Hi, Rose.
Oh, how are you feeling?
Ang ganda. Lalo ko na-excite. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Again, my name is Rose Van Ginkel. Thank you so much for being here.
Direk? Yes, please say hi. Yeah.
Ay, salamat po. Sana po supportahan natin ang Viva Movie Box, ang Made for Revenge at ang lahat ng mga local movies na handog namin dito.
Una-una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito kahit masama yung panahon. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa darating na episode namin. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Now, let's have a group photo of Made for Revenge cast and director. Again, we have Rose Van Ginkel, Direk Bobby Bonifacio, and Cara Gonzalez. Isa lamang yun sa mga papanood natin sa Viva Movie Box. Alright!
Directed by Aya Topacio, starring Denise Esteban, Apple D, Alex Medina, and Akihiro Blanco. Let's watch Love Forbids.
Pakalaban natin, ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Love Forbids. We have the director, of course, Direk Aya Topacio, Denise Esteban, and Apple D. Forbidden Love.
Forbidden
Love
Love.
Forbids.
That's the title.
Hi, ladies. How are you feeling today?
Hi, I'm doing great and thank you everyone for coming. This is Apple D. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta kahit na medyo masama ang panahon.
Magandang hapon po. Ay maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and salamat sa support ng pinapakita ninyo ngayon.
Exactly. Syempre, para sa inyo, pupunta kami Direk Aya. Okay, let's have a group photo with Direk Aya, Denise, and Apple D. Please
Lapit lang
move
po.
forward a little bit. Okay, so I believe this is film 4.
Film 4.
Diba? So mamaya marami tayo dito na mag-share sa stage para our friends from the press can ask them directly.
Oo, di ba?
Nangiinit yung dugo ko. Ang dami-daming babae, ang gaganda pa. Hindi ba?
Grabe yun, di ba? I wouldn't wanna be in his shoes. Parang nakakatakot.
Wouldn't? You wouldn't?
Oh, parang hindi, in the
Okay.
sense na baka wala eh, baka ipatumba na ako nun.
Oh, sige.
Sa dami ng ang init-init ng dugo sa akin. Oo,
Ang dami explanation.
Grabe,
Sige na.
nakakatakot naman.
Tawagin mo na sila. Let's go.
Ayan, joining us on stage, Direk Easy Ferrer, Meg Imperial, Mayton Eugenio, and Zara Laksamana.
Ano ka?
Guys,
Hi, everyone. So thank you for being here. Super na, ngayon lang namin napanood, so sana na-enjoy niyo siya.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. I'm Nathan Eugenio and maraming salamat po sa lahat na pumunta dito despite the weather conditions that we have, and let's all have fun today. Good afternoon po.
Hello po, I'm Zara Laksamana, and thank you po sa pagpunta, and I hope everyone is enjoying our event for tonight, for today.
Ay, magandang hapon sa lahat. Sabay-sabay po nating exciting tayo lahat para sa bagong platform na which is Viva Movie Box. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yes, Direk Easy, good to see you again. Okay, let's have a group photo of Team Mistress's Guide to Moving On. Okay, huddle lang po tayo towards the center.
compress. There you have it.
Yeah, our beautiful cast of our mistresses.
Wow, mistresses, exactly. Pambihira na napaka-camera ready, so it's time.
Kaya naman, tawagin natin sila ngayon on stage. Birthday nga actually today. Si Direk Christian Paulo Lat, again, as a director of Ginagaw na Anak, together with Cass Rises Senon and Althea Rueda.
Yeah. Hi guys. Say hello to the crowd.
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa time nyo na pupunta dito, and sana supportahan nyo ang Viva Movie Box.
Hi po everyone! Thank you so much po for joining us here, and sana po ma-entertain po kayo.
Hello again, everyone. Definitely support every single film. So yeah, thank you for coming tonight, this afternoon.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's have a group photo po. If you may just move forward a little bit. Of course, this is the second film of Direk Christian
Second film.
Paulo Lat. The first one kanina was Aking Talang.
Overachiever dun si Direk.
Exactly. Pretty soon, actor na rin siya
Grabe,
dito
grabe.
sa Viva Movie Box.
Now, it's time to call on the cast of She's Not My Sister, Andrea Babiera and Luis de los Reyes. Hi, hello po.
How are you, beautiful ladies?
Ayan, hello everyone, I'm Andrea Babiera. Thank you so much po for your time and effort na pumunta at supportahan po kami. We are very excited to share with you every microdrama na we have been preparing for the past months. Ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagpunta. At sana po, pagkatapos po ng ating event today, ay umuwi po tayong safe lahat. Yung nakita niyo po, kagabi lang po namin yan tinaping. Kaya, nagpa-scene drop na po agad kami. Yung poster na po namin, 1 AM po namin yung pinicture. Kaya pasensya na po. Muli, maraming salamat.
Alright, okay, let's have a group photo of our cast. Of course, we have Andrea Babiera and Luis de los Reyes, our final film for today. She's Not My Sister. Pwedeng rap song yun, no?
She's not my sister.
She ain't.
Okay po.
Anybody can answer. Those who want to answer, ano yung challenges you encounter na kailangan din hindi kayo lumabas dun sa frame? Yung pagsampalan nyo, sabunutan nyo, nandun pa rin kayo sa frame. Parang ganun. How was your experience doing so far?
Maski ako na, dahil ako'y matanda, ako na. Hindi, ako naman, first time ko pong gumawa ng vertical, and ako marami akong expectations. Paano ba? Kasi ako kapag gumagawa ka sa mga project, talagang inaaral ko yung script and kung paano ko ibabato yung mga lines. So, yung pagdating ko sa set naman, kinausap na Direk Christian na ako. Ano to? Vertical to. OA yung yung mga kailangan ibigay mo, hindi pwedeng subtle lang, ganyan. So, first take yun na yung ginawa ko. Nag-adjust po talaga ako kasi iba yung inaral ko sa sarili ko as bilang artista dun sa script, sa hinihingi ng director. Siyempre, ibibigay ko yung kung ano hinihingi ng director. So, hindi naman ganun kahirap mag-adjust. Kasi lahat naman kami siguro, lahat na nagtitiktok yan eh. So alam nila, nagre-reels yung mga yan, so alam nila kung paano sa screen ng vertical. Ang challenge talaga sa mga directors, kasi iba yung shot nila pagdating sa work nila. Ano sila, wide sila, portrait ba? I think landscape po sila. So kami, sanay kami dahil nagre-reels kami, nag-tiktok kami, mga ganyan. So, konting adjust na lang. Siguro sa acting na yung adjustment na ibibigay namin.
May mic ako.
Ay, may mic ka pala. I'm so sorry.
May age talaga eh, no?
Next kami.
Actually, same din ako with Riza. Tinanong ko si Direk Emmy kasi he's not here kasi nag-vacation muna siya. Na-stress siya kahapon. So, parang unang tanong ko sa kanya, Direk, from 1 to 10, ano ang gusto mong makuha from us? From 1 to 10 na aktingan. Sabi niya, siguro wag tayo sa 10, wag tayo parang radyo. Doon tayo sa 8, para medyo mataas ng konti sa soap opera kasi kailangan talaga kahit yung subtle na taas ng kilay, kailangan medyo i-heighten mo ng konti kasi medyo tight. Oo, medyo dito mo igaganyan. Tapos, syempre, yung balitaktakan ng artista, syempre, ang bawat artista may pacing sa lines. Hindi ka pwede masyadong mabagal kasi meron kang kailangan sabihin within that 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Kasi kapag, alam naman natin ngayon, medyo fast-paced na yung mga tao, may hindi ka lang masabi ng konti, mag-swipe up na sila. So, ganun din sa acting. Kailangan pam. Slow down ng konti para makahinga din yung audience, makahinga ka rin. And then, ganon. And also, yung mga, hindi ko alam kung sa ibang shorts ganon, pero meron kami dotted lines. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong i-hold kung anong emotion yung meron ka. So, yun din. Medyo matagal yung hold minsan, medyo mabagal minsan. Pero yun, as an artista, okay din yung gantong avenue kasi nabibreak ka from that soap opera, telenovela, or movie box na meron ka. So yun, thank you din kila Boss Val kasi parang hindi lang kami yung nabibigyan ng trabaho, we're also learning from this process. So, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yung follow-up question ko for Meg sa kay Mayton, parang isa sa mga intense scenes sa pinakita yung eksena nyo, di ba? Buhusan ng milk tea, buhusan ng kape. What are the challenges you encounter during that scene? Kumbaga, masarap ba yung kape? Masarap ba yung milk tea?
Hindi namin na-try yung kape, sayang. Kasi binuhos niya agad sa akin. But, hindi, siguro, ang sarap gawin nung project namin with Direk Easy. This is my first time working with Direk Easy. And with Mayton naman, parang ito my second project natin together, no? So, sobrang na-excite ako kasi nung ginagawa namin to, siksik talaga yung kwento. As in, kung sanay ka na may pahinga ka na, yung parang easy lang yung eksena mo, hindi. Ito, every scene ata, parang pagod ka talaga. Talagang pinukpok talaga kami ni Direk Easy dito, which excites me also kasi ngayon lang din ulit ako bumalik sa pag-arte talaga. So, na-challenge ako in that sense. And there's also, yung milk tea na yun, parang ang haba nung pinractice talaga namin kasi isang take lang talaga yun or else wala na kaming pangkape. So yeah.
Hindi pwede magkamali. So, very important talaga yung communication. Before we shot this scene, talagang Meg and I really talked how we're gonna do it properly. Mismo kung saan itatapon yung drink, yung angle ng camera, yung limit namin sa isa't isa to make sure na Direk gets to capture the whole thing. So, communication is very important. And like what she said kanina, we can't do it again. Or else maliligo ulit kami, makeup ulit, tas but Honestly, I was very, very nervous kasi syempre Meg is, she's more experienced than me. So talagang humihingi ako sa kanya. Oh, she's not. She's super bait. Pero talagang lagi kami nag-uusap. Lagi ko siyang tinatanong. Lagi ko siyang hinihinga ng advice sa bawat eksena na ginagawa namin. And she's very generous. She makes me feel comfortable, but at the same time, she boosts my confidence. Kaya naiiyak na siya.
Thank you.